Hey, I'm Eric from Stinger with a quick tech tip on the Horizon 10. You may be familiar with the way the height and display connects in your vehicle. Today we're going to show you the slight difference with the way the Horizon display connects when you're in the vehicle. Here we are in a Jeep Wrangler JK. We've got our LVDS display cable hanging out of the dash. The dash is mostly assembled and now we have our display here. We have our LVDS cable which goes into the back of the display and locks into position. Now, to keep the display IP65 weather resistant, we have this little door that goes on the back. We're going to take the tabs here and align them with the notches in the plastics. This is why it was important that we trim this very flush earlier so this can fit into position. We snap that door down into position, and now using a pry tool, we can slide it into the position where we can align the screw hole and install the screw. Now we can see that the screw hole is aligned and we can install the locking screw. And what that does is that locks our display cable into the back of the display and keeps everything sealed so we are IP65 weather resistant. Now we can snap our display back onto the dash and finish our install.